I have a new camera bag and I want to share this with you. This was a gift from my girlfriend. I shared with her this bag and my preferred color, and lo and behold, she gifted it to me on my recent birthday, and I love her for that, and I love her for much more. So this is the K&F Concept Bag, or a K&F Concept Bag. I this is there is the mod, so it's KF13168V4. Okay, let me see if I can show that you guys can see. Maybe I'll put it in the description below. So it's the KF13168V4. I think that's the number because I'm really bad. My eyesight close up, it's really bad. So I'm going to show that you guys. Are going to put it in my shoulder so you guys can see it. So I bought this bag mainly for these two guys here, the G7. I love this camera, man. You can do so much with this camera. I'm going to show you much more about this soon. And with the DPL5, my good old trusty DPL5, it's kind of my carry around, the one that if I lose it or break it, I'm not going to feel too sad. Well, the lens, it's a different story. But these are my two carry arounds because my full frames and my PSs are just too heavy to carry around. So this is kind of my go-to cameras to carry around, to take pictures, snapshots, and just shoot everything I see. So yeah, so this is going to be these are the two cameras are going to be used, or I use for this specific bag, and I'm going to cut to the chase and I'm going to write through it. So this was bought directly from the K&F website. It was fast to arrive, a few days, and it got there. At least that's what I got reported at. This is what you get. This is my first time seeing it. Yeah, you can see the color here, yellow. I wanted the yellow one. I like the color. I'm kind of a little bit sick and tired of black this, black that. So all these black and gray camera bags. So you get this thingy-majiggy. What is it? It seems like to be some sort of warranty. I need to check on this later. Okay, this is nice. And tips card. So how to attach your accessories, even though this is not in place. It's not a kind of a strap, but I mean, it's nice for them to send me this. And the camera itself, not the camera, the bag itself. I really love the color, man. So the colors, I think they're available. It's black, orange, kind of a slighter orange, cream. Is that the word cream? Blue? Is it blue color? Let me check here. Where's my mouse? It was nice if I could see my mouse pointer. Where the hell is my mouse pointer? Oh, there it is. And you have kind of a magenta. What? Purple. Okay, so you have black. I wanted to stay away from black. Orange, beige, purple, green. So I'm watching on Amazon's website. They don't have the yellow on Amazon's website. So you need to go straight to the source. So let me put this. Yeah, did I hit the camera? Oh, how nice is that? So I'm going to open this for you guys to see, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So let's open the bag here. I'm not really sure where this comes from. I think my girlfriend said it comes from Korea or something of that kind. And we have here the thingy, port information. So it's K&F Concept 5-liter. Nice. Sling bag. It's a sling bag, yeah. Some suggestions of how to store your stuff. I like that. Cool. Can I remove this without having to cut it? I would like to not having cut. Can I do this without destroying this? Oh, yes, I can. Nice. Let's remove this. I like to keep this stuff. Oh, no. It doesn't go through. You have to cut this. Well, that's fine. Let's cut this thingy. Come on. This is not the use case for this scissor, but it will just do the job. Cool. Nice. Let's put this to the side. Let's close this before YouTube says I'm using some sort of dangerous weapon, which I've not. And there it is. So here it is. Let me put the camera. Oops, I hit the button, but it's fine. So let's position this a little bit differently. There we go. I like it so much. Why do I like the color so much? So let's see. We have a zip. We have I was not aware of that. So we have here a zip on the side here. It's very soft, padded. It's kind of almost felt. It's really nice. Now you open the, let's open the main compartment. Oh yeah. Oh, there's the strap. And the main compartment here, you have all of this room. So let's put the G7 first. Oh, it fits the G7 just fine. Look at that. And I can put some batteries here. There's some Velcro. Or not Velcro, it's a snap button. I have space for your extra batteries. So I have four? Yeah, I have 4 pockets. On the side, I have one here, one there, one there, and one here. So 4 pockets to put your stuff inside. See, the camera, it's right there. This is deeper than I was expecting, and that's a good thing. So I'm going to remove my G7, and I'm going to put my EPL5, my walk around street camera and shooting people, and my friends and families. Yeah, it's, oh my God, it's much, much deeper than I was expecting, which is a good thing. This is a magnetic, so this is closes magnetically. Cool. And we do have here the straps, so let's strap it. Is there a right? Oh, okay, this is the correct way to do it. Where do I strap? Oh, there the straps are here. This is kind of a paracord. It's very nice, very stylish. I like it a lot. You put it here, then you put it here. I'm going to show you, again, I hit the camera, I'm sorry. And then you can, for safekeeping, it closes like this. So it's, I mean, it's almost impossible for people to rob you. And so it's almost, or has safe as a zip, as a zip. How do you call it? Zip? I forget the name. So yeah, let me show you guys how it suits me. I really like this, man. Jesus, it's very nice. So let's I hope you don't get motion sick. So you guys can see the bag on me. There we go. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh shit. I really like it. So this camera, it's not the great. Yeah, I mean, it will do the trick for this video right at this point. So yeah, look at that. It's really nice. I don't think the camera makes, I will show you on the other camera, but this camera does not make it look as good as it does live. So there we go. I like it a lot. So let me put it back on the here. I'll go show you a little bit more about it. So let's kind of do it like this. Let's go back to the first screen. And I'm going to show you on the other camera, but with this one I can give you more detail. So it's kind of, it has the brand here. It's I mean, I love the yellow, and I was not aware of that, but it has here a zip in the front. Oh, it has the thingies. Oh wait, so the thingies were here. So let me add that. Let me add these. Where is the accessory thing? So I don't think it needs it, but it looks nice. Let's try and add the end. So this is, I don't think it's really needed. Do I have, let me see the Amazon images to see if they add it or it's just a bonus thing you get with the bag. Let me see. Yeah, it's not really needed for this bag, but you get included the thingies, if you put this on the camera. Oh yeah. Well, this doubles as a camera strap. Now I just, Jesus, am I stupid or what? So yeah. Let me see this. It doesn't show in the images. But yeah, this can actually double up as a camera strap and they give you the things for that. How nice is that? So you can use this, you can actually use this as a camera strap. Well, of course, why would you not? Wow, That was not expected, but we can actually use this as a camera strap. And these thingies are going to protect your camera from getting banged from this, and it will not scratch the camera. I mean, for them to include this, it's really nice. And again, let's zip up this, and it looks. I mean, I know yellow. It's kind of a thing that it's a personal preference, but I do like the yellow. I really wanted to go something different of the usual blacks and grays. I mean, I love it, dude. And the material, it's waterproof, and it feels really, really sturdy. Of course, only time will tell how long this will last. But I really like the details, the quality of the materials. Can you make this shorter? I'm sure you can. I just need to figure out how it's done. I mean, I'm lost for words. It's really nice. You can open this, then it's magnetic. You just open this, and I have the camera there and all the pouches, and it's really soft. I really wished it was the only thing I would maybe do DIY something. It's the bottom. It's very soft. So if you put the bag down, it may bang. It may hit the camera hard if you're not careful. But that can be really easily. You can usually DIY something that with cardboard or something that makes the bottom harder, or you can just put the camera's position. It's there. So here it is, my PL5. As you can see, it really. I mean, you get lots of space there. And my G7, I love this too. I mean, we can do so much with this. It's incredible. And there you go. You have your G7 there. Can it fit a full frame camera? Well, I have a full frame camera here, so you can see the volume. So this is a original 5D. Okay, this is the 5D original. Still kicking. I still use it. I just picked up the wrong one. So this is the original 5D. It's really heavy, but as you can see, it fits there really nicely. It's just there. It fits. I mean, it's heavy. I mean, this is a heavy camera, but if it fits a 5D, it can fit most of most cameras. So yeah, G7. There you go. The G7 just fits fine. It fits original 5D just fine. It's really in there, snug. 5D, it's there. It's not going anywhere. And it will, if it fits a 5D, it can fit an RP or EOS R, or I have an R there, but you get the idea. God damn it, I love it. So this is the K&F Concept. I forget the model. Jiggy. So let's just get this to get a thumbnail letter ready. So let me just I can take the thumbnail later. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions about this. And yeah, I love it. Let me know if you have any questions, if you want some more details about this, if you want to know something more about it, or if you want a more long-term review. I'm really happy to do that for you. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.